Hi guys, welcome to Minor Creations. So today we're going to bake a cake. The ingredients is we need butter, some sugar, nuts, a mix. We'll need a bowl, a spatula, an oval bowl. We'll need some water, eggs, and we'll need chocolate. First, I'm going to break the eggs. Oops. Next, I'm going to go with this one. Next, I'm going to go with the third one. Next, we're going to put butter. Then the sugar. Then we'll mix it very well for 10 minutes. Mix it, bake it. I'm adding cake mix. Now take a little bit butter and spread it into the bowl. Next, I'm going to take the chocolate mix and pour it into the bowl. You can't do the video, right? Next, let's let it sit down. Now I'm going to do a heart. Now under my heart. Next, we're going to put it in the oven. We have to preheat oven for 20 minutes. Now guys, the cake is ready. So now we're going to taste the cake. It tastes good, you guys. It's so chocolatey. Please like and subscribe. Bye.